Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This is a 360 video and you can view around by swiping, tilting, clicking, whatever works for your device. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west from Alderton towards 9 Mile. Entering 9 Mile. The stone sign on the left says "Welcome to 9 Mile." On the left is Rhoden Hall Basic School. 9 Mile is famed for the birth and resting place of Bob Marley. Robert Nesta Marley, OM, popularly Bob Marley, born 6th of February 1945, died 11th of May 1981 at age 36, was a Jamaican singer, songwriter and musician. He was considered one of the pioneers of reggae. Bob's distinctive vocal and songwriting styles increased the visibility of Jamaican music worldwide. Here is where Bob Marley's musical career began, and 9 Mile also influenced many of his songs. The Greatest Hits album, Legend, was released in 1984 and became the best-selling reggae album of all time. Bob died as a result of illness in 1981, and his fans around the world expressed their grief. Here on the right you can find the Bob Marley Mausoleum. The Bob Marley Mausoleum is a tourist attraction. It has many historical artifacts including guitars, awards and photographs. The road on the left can take you to Prickly Pole community. There are two mausoleums on the property. The first is that of Cedella, Bob Marley's mother, known as Mama Marley. The second contains the remains of Bob Marley himself. His body lies buried along with his guitar in a 2.5 meter tall, approximately 8.2 feet marble mausoleum inside a small church of traditional Ethiopian design. Bob received a state funeral in Jamaica and was posthumously honored after his death with a designated Order of Merit. In 1994, he was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Rolling Stone ranked him number 11 on its list of the 100 greatest artists of all time. On the left is the Cedella Marley Booker Basic School. The road on the left will take you to Stepney, but we are making the right towards Alva. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.